Once again, good morning everyone. Myself, Nasa, a founder and CEO of Easy Flow. Okay, today we are working on advanced CRM software. This CRM software evolved when the problem is around it. We have a client that they have a problem. They are just a courier servicing company. Just they pick up of one courier and just send in another. What happening in that they have to manage all of it, and what the issue they are facing is that they get multiple order each day. They got 100 200 orders each day, have a quite good of bandwidth and rotation. The problem arises when then they got same order, they got multiple order from same passenger. Then you suppose that you are getting same multiple order from same passenger, then you can just repeat the passenger all over time that Ramesh, this is Ali, get this order, Ali get this. You have you if you repeat it multiple times, this just clutter your CRM. And also there is a bigger problem that there is a agency type that my client had made it. So they have agency, they book behalf of the passenger. Yes, if you can, they book the behalf of passenger. They book the slot, drop, shipping, this behalf of this passenger, this. So how to track that? How this our job is how to track who go to multiple order and manage it CRM. It we can see a single pair who is the most ordering client, which agency is must must ordering plan agency. That we if we know the things that this agency book this much time in one click, then we ultimately know that we can give the redeems, we can have them a scheme to retain the server. So what we do it. There's a multiple layer in this. How to build it. There's a multiple layer on this how we can build it. Now this is suppose a database. It's called order. This is a primary database of this. Means that this is the order that take run-offs daily. But how? But who take the order? There is a person should be there. So there is a person, there is a passenger. So take this. The passengers have a direct relationship link. I mean, without person there is no order. Passenger or client, there is a no. But order can't be taken if there is a no passenger. But we have also a database. Yes, that we have it. Just grab that. It's called agency. Just me. But what thing is that you have not to be agency just book for booking our order. Just suppose that I just clearing out. This is a low level. This is very minor. Just the ground level thing. Just you have an order, but who take the order? Passenger take the order. So the passenger directly connect to the order. If there is no passenger there is no order. But in this dotted line means that you have not to be agency to book order. You can book the order, but you have not to be agency to book the order. But there is also a relation between our agency and agency book on the behalf of passenger or the order. Just book on the behalf of passenger the order. This is a link on it. Now how we understand? You can see that there is a nice dependency on that. This order is dependent on passenger dependent on agency. Now seeing this, what is dependency on it? There is a Dropbox. Now Now let's just see it. In order, in CRM building, what we need it? We need the first name, last name, phone number, pickup location, drop location, due date, driver, and who book it. There is a dependency. If you can easily say that who book it, there is a dependency. Does it book by individual? Does it be by the regular client? Does it be by agency? There is a dependency. We have to crack this dependency how it works. There is a least amount of requirement that we have in Sierra. Now, on top of that, now what? When we are okay, now we build the order. Now we have, and now suppose that we have a separate base for passenger, the client. Just suppose a passenger. What do we store there? Their first name, their last name, their email, their phone number, their preferences. What they require there, what their preference with shipping. They are premium services. They need a fast services. They need their affordability. That we create this preference also. We not required they have the pickup drop location because there is a different always you can also have the pickup location but what it required is because the client bids for their whenever they are office they can be home they can be anywhere so you can just put a pickup location but we also managed that the first name last name email phone number and their preferences. Now we not have this but in agency but in agency agency is just similar like a passenger but we have a company name email their address company address because company if you are in a company this one thing happen is this easy is that if any agency book they always payment in the last or 15 because they not pay each because they have time so we have an address so our subordinate go there and just collect the payment so we have the address now their phone number and the agent name who book it because there should be a multiple agent who book from behalf of number so we have that agent name on it. Now there's a dependency now we build in the CRM the which CRM is the monday.com there is a more small CRM like ClickUp but I have familiar with this monday.com so I'm building in monday.com let's see how I build it. Nice logo I have it. Okay I already have booked it just say now this is the order now it's the first name last name client email one thing I always say in each video that we have a unique name because when we go to make.com there is a ID or there is a name that we collect from it so if there is an email there is an email of passenger there is emergency how do you know that which email I have to map it so we have always prefer to have a unique name of each column it's my personal preference if you like it just like it okay the pickup date this we have on this date and we have the pickup location and last location and we have a status field there is an agent or passenger we have default on passenger and if there isn't it will cut now there is the thing is dependency now how I create a dependency that's I can see you now see that now there is a column of content dependency connect the board now we select the board there is a okay just before the selecting board I just show you this I have another board a passenger now this is the main table we go to main table okay it's a passenger name ID this is the ID and this is first name last name passenger email passenger phone number and this be on time they fast delivery and there is a dependency I already created dependency this link in the order and there is that now you can see there is another database which I created now see how I link this database so just going this right Just connect the board. We have to connect the board. Select the boarding. This we have a passenger board. We have to connect it. Now we have to connect two-way. If there is any change in the passenger, that's have to show in this board. If any change have in order, that's have to be set in agency. Just seeing that. I just have to clarify it. Just see that. The database passenger here. Just there is a order. Now what we means, I have to say that change what I mean that if I change anything, just have name, just send the order, that show in the passengers column also. If I have any change in this order table, it's show in passenger. If any change happen in passenger, that I change the last name, this I change the phone number, that already can that already update in this order tab. You understand that? If any change happen this, that should be changed in order. If any change happen in order, this should be in passenger. Now I see how it. There is a two-way connection. Now we connect the board. Okay, I think I should remove this. Okay, just connect the board. Passenger. I just connect the board. Connect the board. Sometimes it happens because okay, just wait well because select the board, passenger, two-way connection. Okay, just we connect it. Now, what happened that if I can there is this Munna item to run. When we go in passenger, there is a name Munna. I have a whole database. Like I said last time, and what we can do is that just we go to there passenger. Okay, I can select Munna and just put it in this, but just get that this customer have this order value, but what I also can do, just I click it, just I get all their data, just emails, that special note and document which they comment there, what the order linking on it. Now you can say that we can get each and every passenger from it. Now let's see there. I have a two order from same person. We can say that this is a passenger column. I just delete it because I already built it. We just I have to show that how can it build it. This is different. You can I previously I saw how I build a CRM, but I not build a dependency. But could I build it? Now we have this. You can see that we have a two orders. Our document a sample place from dependency of same passenger. Now we have three. Not two. Now we have three. And now we go to passenger sample, and we have to go. Then we go to link document. You can see that. It's a link from it. Now you can see you also can see the order value from this. But what we can say is we have a document sample board and mood board. Let's see that we have three order from same passenger. That you can see that how this problem is solved dependency. If I book 100 order, it's in the same line. Always we can change this the look, we can change this how it represented, we can say sub data, just click it, right? But you can see if the Munna search built 100 order, we can say, and how we can also benefit our regular client. If the client value, we have to register value attached in each order, just I going to this value. If the client value in go from 10,000, we can get them a coupon of 10% discount or one drive, one pickup free. From this, if you calculate the value, if they calculate from passenger, the passenger order value increase by 10,000, we just send in the coupons and premium card. You get did this membership. You can all of. And how you see how we can be automate their passenger. We can care the passenger. We can scatter them. Just like that, in order value, we can just build a dependency in agency. We can see this build in dependency for agency. Just we not put this. We just put the agency on it and just select the agency and just agency as same agency. We see the same kind of thing. In link of order, we see the link order, which order is linked. It's the same thing on web order. You can see that we have company name, email, phone number, ID. It is easy to build. If you see my previous video, easy to. Now, what the actual thing happened? Now, when we use the make.com from this CRM, the actual beauty start there. Now go to make.com, because we have automate this system. We can do whatever what we want. Let's just imagine that we can cater the best playing kind from just a click. We can give special discount if anyone is ordering more than 10,000. We can immediately, if the order value is more than 10,000, just mean that the client the bulk volume, we give him the redeem, get the discount offer, and they feel it. Not we have to not. No one isn't want to be have a manual. This a pay this client pay $1,000, so I have the. But it's automate the system set to set this rule that if client value is more than 10,000, I give this, and this be automated. There's nothing to have this. Now, I already built this. I just show how I build it. Now, one thing I built it is in CRM. I just call the order values, all the order values from it, from board order value. Just you can see that what I call it. Now, there is a order. There is a order. How much order? There is a 3 order. You can see there is a 3 order in our collection. And I said there is a 3 order, sub order. And what we did, just we aggregate all this. Just aggregate all this. There is a order. We call the passenger. Just we see agency. There is a I take this ID and just call who is here. Plus this I call this database Munasa and just iterate it and just calculate there is order. How much order he give the link order. This is a link. You say how is it? There is a link. If you go there is a link order to it. And just iterate it. This how much order and just I calculate the value. Just link it and just I calculate the value. This creator this order is ID this document address and we can see the how much prices goes column address go column. There is a prices also. There is a column bound this agency. There is a price. Is a 500. Now what I can do it. This I have a numerator sum numerator is a numerator sum numerator. That is a numerator sum. Iterator numerator sum. Just so I go to add a module new iterator है ना iterator sum. Now you can see there is a numerator aggregator. Now what we can do, just we click it. This source code is just a aggregator. This main aggregator we have to this main aggregator. Just aggregate function. What we do, we just sum it. What the value is? Sum is the order value. Okay. What happened is now let's see it. What is there? Now what we get, let's see it. Now we have there is a 3. The client orders 500, 700, 300. Just I show it this passenger. This client pay this Munna pay. If you are feeling boring, just get boring because I am making this video for this is a too long video. I have to give a each glimpse of it. It's a 500, 700, 300. You can see it. And this we have a 1500. So what we can do it if we just have a filter here. Just we have a email module. Just we have an email module. This you can see email module. Email. Get email and this send email. If we have a filter label, coupon code, discount code, this CRM discount. Now, if the if the order value is equivalent greater text, now we have the math operator numerical is greater than, okay, just we have for this 1000, for now 1000, just 1000. Okay, what we do, wait, just I do just fast. The subject line is get 10% off now. What is go? Now we have to add receptionist. What email we got from email? But this is the email ID. This link order. There is a link. There is a parent company. There is a parent company. There is a link also. There is a policy ID. Operate board. There is a group. And there is a column value. Now we have already link order. Link column value 1, 2, 3, 4. Additional text document. There is also one thing. Also there is should be model 3. Model 3. So group column value, parent company, text mapping, group value, sub item, column value. Now you can just see this. There is a passenger data where is a email, change there, add value, there's a text. Now we get to read email. Just repeat it. Just we have how important of CRM we have. Why I put email. You can see that why I write the passenger email ID, because when you write a passenger email ID, they are very easy to find it, because this is a column. Just we say that this is a mappable column. There is a passenger email ID. You don't have to confuse of it. What we can just now we have the plain text and just say this get 10% off. Okay, just apply code 001 off. Okay, now we build the whole CRM. Now is a no. Okay, just I have to create a connection. Just wait. Authorization for while text. Yes. Now friend, we have the email address from client and this. Now we run it. What we get? Just the order value is, now we have a filter. Just I tell you what we do it. We have a discount column. Just we align it. Just order line. This would look nice. Just one is pretty slide. We have a filter. What filter does? If the order value is more than 1000, what is it? It's an immediate amount of coupon of discount 10%. Now we run it. Order is more than it. What is happening? Undefined reading account. Okay, this I have. I think I have issue with my email something authorization. I have to resolve it. Okay, just we know that what we have. If I just it is then more than is 1000. It just immediately set the email. Just immediately set email. That means that we get that we set a client email. Just If you can imagine that, if the you have a policy of saying, if the client have 10,000 more spent more than, we give 10% redeem. And that, and you have not a manual activity. If you are dealing with 100 200 clients per day, you have just set in immediate all, we have a list of it, and just and go it, and just you have a, then the client have more than 10,000, they 10% ready. After 15,000 they got 15. This you can set the automation, and it will be automatic, no person required. Just have a one person who see weekly review the system is working right or wrong, just creating a report. Yes. If you have any doubt, just comment on it. And also, if you want to grow your business through AI, just book a 30-minute free session. That's a free, where I have bring my expertise. Just discuss, just healthy discuss. How can I grow your business just through AI? This is free. There's no anything else. Not see how what you can see the what AI tools help your business, because there is a lot more free AI tool that help your business and grow your productivity 100. You have, and just eliminate your costs, just back end cost, just labor cost, just operation, just limit, and you have the greater profit margin. I just get goodbye. Have a nice day. If you have any comment, just comment it. Okay, I immediately reply on it. Okay, bye.